The wild and elegant birdman stalks its prey, the bebis. By the time the bebis realizes that it is being stalked, it is too late. The birdman comes in with its flapping wings and scoops up the bebis. And now the birdman places its prey in a spot for later. Although the birdman is agile and quick, it is sadly going extinct because hunters are after it. Because of this, we have hired a professional to capture it and put it in a reservation where it can be safe.
Amazing trap that I built. There's beepus under here, right here. This is bait. And then this, when he comes in, I'll trap him like that. You know?
And now await Birdman's arrival. Oh, there he is. He has no idea what is about to come upon him.
I got him!
And now the Birdman is in a safe reservation until we find a new home for him where he can be safe. Thank you for joining us on a learning adventure about the wild and elegant Birdman. Hope to see you again soon on another documentary.